Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a text file with .txt extension and a Word file with .docs extension into PDF file with .pdf extension using Python. So let's start. First of all, you have to open any IDE. I'm using PyCharm. So here you have to import a package. So first, let me write text to PDF. Okay. So here you have to import fpdf. So by using pip install fpdf, and if it doesn't work you can try sudo pip3 install fpdf. Okay, and if it also doesn't work you can simply go to Anaconda Navigator and install it from there. After installing, you have to from fpdf import fpdf. Okay, so then initialize a variable in fpdf. Okay, so now a pdf dot add page. You can add page, add food, add link. Simply just add page, and here pdf dot set. So you can set font, set author, set page break, or you can set many things. So I'm just setting setting font. So set font. So let's say Arial, and here you have to give the size. Let's say size is 20. Okay, so then you have to give cells pdf dot cell, and here you have to give horizontal column and vertical column. So let's say horizontal is 50 and vertical let's say 100, and then you have to write a text that you want to convert. So here you have to write a text. So let's say hello everyone, this is a text to PDF conversion. Okay, so now you have to save a file like pdf dot output. So here you have to write a name. So let's say pdf text. So here you have to give extension pdf text dot pdf, and then just print done. You can check it now. Sorry for this. Okay, so let's run it now. So here you can see, then you can check it now. So let's go to the folder like directory in which this project is created. So here you can see a file is created with name pdf.text. So let me open it. So here you can see this is the file and our extension with pdf extension. Here you can see the name, and this is the exact text that we wrote earlier. Hello everyone, and this is our text to pdf conversion. So this is all for text to pdf conversion. So now let's move to word to pdf extension. Okay, so from that purpose first you have to import a package docx to pdf. So here's also one more package named pdf to tree, and you can also use it if you want. So from docs.pdf you have to import convert. So right pip install pdf.docs. Okay, and if it doesn't work you can try sudo pip3 install docs to PDF. And if it also doesn't work, you can simply go to Anaconda Navigator and install it from there. Okay, so now we have to import convert from PDF, sorry, docs to PDF, import convert. Okay, so here you have to write convert, and here you have to give the address of the file. So first write R, then sorry, these inverted commas, and here you have to give the extension of file. So I have just created a file, uh, this file. So let me show you. Here it is. The name is Word. So you have to go to its properties, and here you can find its location. So simply just copy it and again come here. You have to write it here, and then you have to put a slash and write the name of file. So my file name was word dot pdf, sorry, word dot docs. So it is also showing me the name. Okay, word dot docs, and after that you have to put a comma and again copy that string and again put it here, and here you have to change the name word.pdf. So it will simply after comma it will simply take the file, convert it and save it in the exact directory where we want to save it. You can also change it if you want, and here you have wrote the name from which name you have to you want to save it. Okay, so let's write print done, your file is converted. Okay, so let's run it. So you will see an interface like this. So when it comes to 100%, it will simply show you the output done, your file is converted. So let's go to the directory. So here you can see, first let me show you the word file that have this word file. So let's open it. Let me show you the word file. Okay, here's our word file, and here it's conversion that we have just converted with Python. So let's open it. So as you can see, as our file is converted, and it has also converted the pictures. So these are the pictures, links, everything as it is that it was in Word document. Okay, so here's the file again with pictures, links, everything, and everything is now converted into PDF. So that's all for today's video. If you have any problems installing any packages or using the code, you can simply ask me in the comments. So if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.